Hey guys, what's up? Who likes a good crumble? Today I'm going to share with you my take on the classic crumble. We're making an unbelievable apple and blackberry crumble, perfect for this time of year. I think you guys are going to like this one. Let's get started. So first guys, we're going to make our crumble topping. Slightly different to the classic version. We're not using any flour, we're using oats instead. In my opinion, that's a much better texture.
So combine together your oats, your softened butter and your sugar.
Just roughly incorporate with your fingers.
And place this in the oven at 180 degrees. Mixing it up with a spoon every 10 minutes so it cooks nice and evenly.
Once golden brown and nicely caramelized, set it to one side to cool down.
By making the crumble individually, you will keep that nice crunch.
For the filling, we're going to be using these delicious Granny Smith apples. So, we're going to keep the skin on, because that's where all the flavour is at. We're going to dice these up, so you get a bit of texture. Now we're going to make caramel shake, which is a caramel without water. Heat up your pan to medium-high heat and add in half the amount of sugar.
Be careful when making caramel, it's very hot. When the sugar starts to melt, add in the rest of the sugar. Cook the sugar until it turns to golden brown caramel, then add in the apples. Be careful, the caramel may spit at you. Then mix the apples into the caramel and make sure it's nicely coated.
Here I've got some delicious frozen blackberries, which I've picked from a garden a few months ago, froze. So we're just going to add these. When it starts to boil, you're going to turn the heat down to medium heat and cook it until the apples are softened. Wow, it's smelling good. We're going to reduce the syrup down by a third, just to give it a bit more depth and flavour and a bit more body to it. But make sure you're stirring it, because you don't want it catching or burning on the bottom of the pan.
Place the crumble in your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until hot throughout and golden on the top.
You can serve this with custard cream, ice cream, or even by itself. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop us a like down below. Please subscribe to the channel, it's completely free. Take care, see you guys soon.